today is day one, loving yourself. Who all are live? Can anyone comment over here for today? Who all are present? Let me know. I'm waiting for you all for 2 minutes. Hello, everybody. How are you? Ready for the day one? Others who all are there, say hi. So I come to know that you all are there. So we start our session with something new, which we want to love ourselves, create magic in our life. So let me start. When you all are coming, just put hi. So I come to know. If you have any questions, we'll be taking it to the end of the session. So let me start. So welcome everyone to day one to loving you yourself magically. Yes, loving yourself magically. What does this mean? What do you need to do first thing? Tell you all what you all need for this 21 days journey. You all need one mirror, one journal book, maybe it is a notebook or something. Take a new notebook, one pen, that's all. And you can keep a napkin with you because it may be needed sometime. Handkerchief. So that's all you need. And now, what about the mirror? Mirror, you can use your mirror in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in your mobile. Any mirror can do. Basically, first thing I would suggest to use a mirror in your home which you feel is comfortable, where you can spend 5 to 10 minutes with your own self. If you're not able to do in your rooms, go to the bathroom, close your door, and watch in the mirror, in your bathroom mirror, and do the exercise. It is basically needed because the exercise in front of the mirror will be helping you to connect more. So, now let us start. What do you need to know when you are going? Hello, Seema ji. Do note down if you all are doing this exercise. If you are going to start your journey, do note down what you need to do. Okay? So, first day, what do you feel about yourself? Do you feel that you are not worthy? You are not good enough? I do everything for everyone, but no one praises me. Everyone is always complaining or putting some comments or saying something which is hurting me inside. So basically, you need to understand that you need to start now taking care of yourself. How will be you taking care? So we'll be starting with the exercise day one. What do you need to do? You need to go and stand in front of the mirror. Suppose the mirror is, suppose I'm keeping the phone and this is the mirror. I'm looking in the mirror and seeing with my eyes, contacting my eyes to it, and then I'm talking to you. Hey, hi Alka, how are you? Hope you're fine. I am going to start something new today, and I want your support and your help because this journey is going to help me to transform and help me to create something new which I wish I want within myself, to love myself, to love you. So please help me in this journey, and I am ready to take my journey at a go soon. So here we go. So, what will be the dialogue when you are doing this in front of the mirror? Naran Shitalji, what will happen? It will be basically inside you, there will be a voice called, are you okay? Is it okay? Or you're doing stupid things? You will feel that someone from your home will say you, she's mad. She's not doing properly things. She's a gone case now. Let them say. Because everyone are going to do that. But you need to focus on the mirror exercise. That's why I told that when you find that you people around your home, they are not comfortable you to do this exercises, go in the bathroom, close your bathroom, and do the exercises. That's the simple and easiest. So no excuses that I am not able to do it. Remove your time whenever you are comfortable, preferably time better and the best is in the morning. Give yourself 10 to 15 minutes in the morning. That will help you out. Now, what you need to do? You need to start saying first to yourself, I, I want to love. You're keeping the mirror in front. Hey, Alka, I want to love you. I, I love you a lot. I now take action to love you a lot. I love you. And I am taking this journey for 21 days. Please help me and support me. With your help, I will achieve. And I need your support throughout this journey. These affirmations should be said before so that you are comfortable with your own self. Because we are not comfortable with ourselves looking into the mirror. Then what you need to do? Then you again stand in front of the mirror and then look into your eyes. Take a deep, long breath. Hold for 1 minute, 1 second, and then breathe out from your mouth. And say this affirmation again. I want to really learn to love you and let go for it. Really want to have some fun in my life. Take a deep breath again and think that these exercise you are doing for your own self. You are creating something new, magic in your life for your own self. Now, after doing this, you will start having some sound from within yourself. This is not right. How can this be possible? So there will be feelings and emotions with it. There will be something which is going to come up and say to you, no, it is not true. You cannot do it. Here is a simple example. Whenever you start some work, or something new job or something, there are always some hurdles and some uh, blockages always. So there will be blockages which will be telling you in your subconscious mind, don't do it. It's not possible. Or maybe you will be doing 2 days, 3 days, and then on the fourth day there will be stop. There will be something coming up and you won't be doing it. Take hold for yourself and start doing it for your own self. Now, what you need to do, you need to, after doing this exercise, you need to continuously watch yourself in the mirror for basically 5 minutes. 5 minutes at one go, not blinking your eyes. You do not have to blink your eyes. It will be difficult in the starting days because I have clients, I have students, those who are doing for 10 to 15 minutes now. At the starting, they were not able to do, they were only able to do for 1 second, 2 seconds, and then they use slowly, after increasing the habit, they are still now going to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So it's okay in the starting if you're going for just watching this and blinking it, it's fine. But then again, you start and try to focus without blinking your eyes. Your eyes should not blink. You have to keep it open wide and talk to yourself and have a smile on your face. Keep a fake smile. झूठी smile भी चलेगी. Now, what you need to do after doing this, you have to say to yourself, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. Welcome, Rupali ji. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. You have to keep on repeating again and again these sentences. So, after 5 minutes, go and sit in your room, or maybe if you're not comfortable outside, sit there inside your bathroom on your table and take your pen and paper journal book and write down the feelings, write down the emotions, whatever are coming up after the meditation. So here, after this, you will be doing a meditation, and then after that you have to write down your feelings and emotion. So those who are already set and to go ahead, I'll be sharing the music right now, so you all can close your eyes and just listen to the music for 5 to 7 minutes. So just comfortably sit in a place, close your eyes, and let's start with the music. So who all are ready? Who all are ready? Close your eyes. Take a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for two counts. One, two, and breathe out from your mouth. Again, take a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for two counts and breathe out from your mouth. Again, take a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for two counts and breathe out from your mouth. Now, slowly start absorbing the energies. Slowly start feeling your own self. Take your attention towards your heart. Take your attention towards your heart. And now, say to your heart, I love you. I am ready to accept you as you are. I really, really admire you. You are the best version. You are really, really amazing. I love you. I love you. Seek the pink light within yourself. See the pink light which is going deeper, deeper within your heart. Your whole body, whole yourself is going and merging and loving yourself. It's totally love, love, and love. You are accepting yourself as you are. You are the best. You are amazing. You are wonderful. Whatever is happening, maybe you are feeling uncomfortable or maybe some emotions coming up. It's okay. Let them flow out because these words are never heard by us. I love myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. I deeply, deeply love you. To totally stay in the love. Totally close your eyes and be within your own self. I want to love you more. I want to respect you. And now, see the light or the color, whichever you are able to see in your heart. See the color, whatever color it may be. It doesn't matter. It may be green, it may be blue, it may be white, it may be pink, it may be red. It's okay. Love is all around you. Just love is all around you. And say, I accept myself and I'm open to receive. I'm open and I'm receptive. I'm open, I'm receptive. I'm open and I'm receptive. I'm open and I'm receptive. I'm open and I'm receptive. We are going to affirm this 21 times. I'm open and I'm receptive. 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 Be in these emotions. Be with your feelings. Be with whatever you are going. Be with whatever you are feeling. It's okay, whatever comes up for you. Slowly be in the same state. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Now, slowly take a deep breath and breathe out from your mouth. Again, take a deep, long breath and breathe out from your mouth. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. Very slowly open your eyes. Now, as you open your eyes, you have your journal in front of you. Write down all your emotions, feelings, whatever they are coming up. Whatever it is coming up, just write it down because we each one have something unique. We have something very different. We have the ability to love ourselves totally, but we are not aware. We need to just accept ourselves, take a step, and move ahead in our life. This journey is to start with acceptance about yourself, about what you are. It's not about others, it's just about you, you, and you. So, write it down, be at your pace, and keep doing it. And click the photo and put it below the assignment where I'll be mentioning that the assignments have to be submitted. Be very regular, do not miss a single day. Submit daily your assignments, and it's going to benefit you, only you. So, when you have started a journey, take a step and reach that the higher point wherever your destiny takes you, because it is your journey, your destiny, your life, and which is going to create miracles in your life. It's not about me, it's all about you and only you. So hope this session has helped you. If you have any questions, you all can put in the comments. Now I'll be starting with the Hindi session where I'll be taking few time minutes to explain in Hindi what they need to do. आपका सबका स्वागत है. Let us अंडरस्टैंड समझते हैं कि हमें इसमें क्या करना है. मिरर एक्सरसाइज मतलब क्या? मिरर एक्सरसाइज मतलब आपको एक आईने के सामने, एक मिरर के सामने आपको अपने दिल की बात रखनी है. दिल की बात बोले तो आपको अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करना है. आपको करना क्या होगा? आपको अपने लिए, खुद के लिए कुछ समय, थोड़ा सा समय, 10 मिनट का समय अपने लिए निकालना है, जहाँ पर आप मिरर के साथ में खड़े होके 21 डेज तक, 21 दिन तक आप ये जर्नी साथ में चलेंगे. जहाँ पर रोज़ मैं एक गाइड करूँगी. उसके लिए आपको एक दर्पण चाहिए, एक पेन चाहिए, एक किताब चाहिए. किताब में एक नई किताब हो तो बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज एक नई जर्नी स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हो. दर्पण आपके कमरे में चलेगा, या फिर अगर आप कमरे का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है सब देखेंगे और आप रूम नहीं बंद कर सकते हो, आप बाथरूम का मिरर यूज़ कर सकते हो. बाथरूम के अंदर आप अपना दरवाज़ा बंद कर लीजिए एंड बाथरूम के अंदर अपना 10 मिनट निकाल के वो एक्सरसाइज कर लीजिए. ये एक्सरसाइज करने का सबसे अच्छा समय सुबह का है. जितनी सुबह आप ये करेंगे, अपने आप से बात करेंगे, अपने आप को चेतावनी देंगे, मतलब आपने अपने आप को जगाएंगे और मैसेज देंगे, वो आपके ऊपर जल्दी असर करता है. बिकॉज ये सुबह के ही रिचुअल्स हैं जो हमें आगे अपनी लाइफ के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म होने में मदद करते हैं. अब आपको करना क्या है? सबसे पहले आपको कांच, मिरर में आपको ऐसे सामने जो आपका मिरर है उसमें आपको अपनी आंखें एक दूसरे के साथ में मिलती हो वैसे देख के आपको उससे बातें करनी है. हमने कभी अपने आप से बात नहीं की है, पर आज से आपको यही काम करना है. आपको अपने ही आपसे अपनी आंखें खुद से मिला के आपको अपने आप से बात करनी है. ना कि आपको अपने पलकें झपकानी है, और ना ही आपको अपनी आंखें बार बार बंद करनी है. एक बार शुरू में आपको ज़रूर दिक्कत होगी क्योंकि ये हमने कभी किया नहीं है. तो आपको कंटिन्यूअस में आपको देख के आंखें पलके बिना झुकाए आपको इसमें देख के आपको अपने आप से बात करनी है. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले आप खुद को बोलोगे, मैं अपने अपने आप को प्यार करना चाहती हूँ. मैं शुरुआत करना चाहती हूँ इस प्यार करने की खुद से. मैं अपने आप को जहाँ प्यार करना सीखना चाहती हूँ, करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे आपका, तुम्हारा सपोर्ट चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए कि तुम हमेशा मेरा साथ दो और मैं ये 21 दिन की जर्नी साथ में आगे चलते हुए अच्छे से निकाल के पूरी कंप्लीट करूँ. मुझे तुम्हारा साथ चाहिए. तो आप उसको पहले चेतावनी देके आप उससे बात करके उसको बता रहे हो कि मैं ये करने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे तेरा साथ चाहिए. जैसे आप कोई कंपनी स्टार्ट करते हो या कोई नया जॉब स्टार्ट करते हो या कहीं पे आप नए फ्लैट में जाते हो, आप एग्रीमेंट करते हो ना, वैसे ही ये आपका अपने साथ में एग्रीमेंट है, जहाँ पर आप सामने खुद को बता रहे हो कि मैं ये शुरू कर रही हूँ और ये तुझे मुझे साथ देना है आगे तक. तो आपने क्या किया है? आपने एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है. अब नाउ आगे करने के बाद में आपको उसको बोलना है. सुबह के 5 मिनट आपको निकालने हैं. 5 मिनट से 7 मिनट. ये एक्सरसाइज हो सकता है शुरू में आप 1 मिनट 2 मिनट कर पाओ, लेकिन स्लोली स्लोली डेली में आपको अपनी टाइम नोट करनी है और आपको अपनी टाइम बढ़ानी है। जिस समय आप शुरू कर रहे हो वो टाइम नोट करिए, एंड जहाँ पर ख़त्म कर रहे हो उस टाइम पे नोट करिए। तो आपको पता चलेगा आपने आज एक से कितने मिनट तक किया है, कितने सेकंड आप पलके नहीं झुका पाए हो, झपका पाए हो। तो आपको ऐसे करते करते आपको हर बार आपको फोकस रखना है और आपको अपनी टाइम बढ़ानी है। तो जब आप आंखें नहीं पलकाएंगे, झपकाएंगे, तो आपको बोलना है, मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, तुम बहुत सुंदर हो, तुम बहुत अनोखी हो, तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो। आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू सो मच, आप तुम्हारा धन्यवाद है, एंड मैं तुम्हें बहुत 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 प्यार करती हूँ। ऐसे आपको कंटिन्यूस 10 मिनट तक बार बार एक से एक सेंटेंस जो आपको अपने लिए अंदर से आते हैं, आपको कोई भी नेगेटिव या नकारात्मक शब्द नहीं वापरने हैं। आपको सिर्फ सुंदर है, खूबसूरत है, अच्छी है, बहुत ज्ञानी है, बहुत अंदर से खुश है, खुश रहती है, बहुत खूबसूरत है, ऐसे ही शब्दों का प्रयोग करना है। और साथ में आपको अपने वो 4 सेंटेंस बोलने हैं। आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू सो मच, आई लव। तो इसे हम हिंदी में कैसे बोलते हैं? मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए, आपका धन्यवाद है, मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, एंड मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए। 4 सेंटेंसेस। तो आपको ये 4 सेंटेंसेस आपको कंटिन्यूएशन में बोलने हैं। अब ये होने के बाद, इसके पहले जो हमने मेडिटेशन किया, आपको सिर्फ वो म्यूज़िक चालू करके, और मैं मेडिटेशन अलग से शेयर कर दूंगी, आपको सिर्फ आंखें बंद करके आपको बैठना है। और साथ में मेडिटेशन में आपको खुद से हार्ट के अंदर, अपने हार्ट के अंदर फोकस करना है, ध्यान देना है। और हाथ के अंदर आपको देखना है कि जो भी लाइट आ रही है, भले वो हरी हो, नीली हो, पीली हो, लाल हो, गुलाबी हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आपको ऊपर से इमेजिन करना है कि आपके ऊपर एक खूबसूरत लाल लाइट आ रही है, जो गुलाबी रंग की लाइट है, और वो आपके पूरे हार्ट को कवर कर रही है। और वो मेडिटेशन में आपको खो जाना है, खुद को बोलते हुए, आई लव यू, 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 आई लव यू करके। ये मेडिटेशन करते करते आपके 5 से 10 मिनट होते ही आपको अपने साथ में एक जो आपकी किताब लिखी है उसे रखना है, पेन लेना है, और आपके साथ में जो फीलिंग्स, इमोशंस आ रहे हैं कि नहीं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, या कुछ भी आ रहे हो, मैं बोलने के बाद में ये नहीं है कि आप वही लिखेंगे। आपको अपने इमोशंस लिखने हैं, आपके अंदर से आपकी आवाज़ क्या आ रही है, आपको वो लिखना है। और यहाँ पर ग्रुप में जो एक अभी मैं इसके वीडियो होने के बाद में लिखूंगी, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न इन दिस सेशन, व्हाट वर योर फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस, आपको उधर नीचे आपको सारे अपने पोस्ट डालने हैं। सो ये एक्सरसाइज हमारी 21 डेज चलेगी। आपको डेली एक्सरसाइज करनी है, मेडिटेशन करना है, और जर्नल लिखना है अपना, ताकि हमें पता चले कि हम इस जर्नी को यहाँ डे 1 से शुरू किए है, इसके साथ में हम 21 दिन पहुँच रहे हैं, तो हमारे में क्या प्रोग्रेस आया है, हमारे में क्या बदलाव आया है। ये आपकी जर्नी है, आपके लिए है, और आप ही को आगे बढ़ना है, और आप ही को मिराकल क्रिएट करना है। सो यहीं पे वी कंप्लीट द डे 1। So hope everyone does this exercise, enjoy it, and I'm seeing that there are some of them live right now also. Vaibhavi is there, Seema ji is there, Sheetal, Prachi is there, Poonam ji is there. So I hope that everyone you will benefit with this exercise and do it and do submit it. And those who are going to watch it afterwards, please do the exercise and submit the assignments to stay in this group. So do the assignments and submit it. Thank you so much. God bless you and enjoy the process. Don't start cribbing और complaining because आपके emotions होंगे, कहीं पे कोई कुछ बोलेगा, कहीं पे fight. These are going to come, challenges are going to come, but stay on track and do it. Please. I request everyone because this is going to help you all. So, happy journey, loving yourself. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.